Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to tell about how to make attendance in the Google Forms. First of all, we must go to Chrome and type www.googleforms.com. Then after clicking there, we get the option Google Forms fill in online survey. Then there will be a go to Google Forms option. If you open WPS Office, it will not open and it will not support. So we must take other options like Google Chromes and browsers, etc. So when we are typing the Google Chromes, these type of forms uh, will be updated. So we can type anything. Daily attendance first, it's the title, and next the description may be it's about your college or anything. So while I'm typing here guest lecture faculty GFGC Surya. Okay, now next let me make the classes. What are the classes need to be added? Let me add first option as the first year BCom. First year BCom B section. Yeah. Then for the second option you must type on the add option, not the others. In the others it will not show, so you should type on the add option. So second option is the second BCom, and if you need another option to be added, you must be typing on the add option once again, so it will show the third option also. So you can type as I am typing now, it is as a final BCom. Yes, if you need to create a new page, you can type down, scroll down the page, and there will be a left side plus options. So you must type it, so the new page will be arrived. So I'm here adding as a name. Name, you must know which student is attending. So name, there will be a right side column. There will be a block of multiple choice options or the some other things. You must type that, and you must select short option, short answers. So your Google format is ready. So you must uh, if you need to send to someone, you must go to send option above there. So you will get a attachment file, so you must copy the link, and your link is copied and go to your respective apps. It may be WhatsApp or email, or it may be Instagram, etc., and paste it and send it. Your student will be getting these links, and they will be attend this